Baldwin High School strongly supports the Northwell initiative for creating gun safety awareness and have this issue recognized as an issue for all citizens across America.
I'm passionate about this issue because it continues to impact the lives of thousands of Americans. So many people are using guns to take their own lives or take the lives of others. So it's clear that the current system isn't working, which is why I'm passionate about creating a new one.
Well, in our country, there are thousands of acts of gun violence each year and thousands of people killed and injured. For the future of our people, and most of all our students, it is important to make our country safer and to make schools a safer environment.
The numerous mass shootings over the past few years made me realize that this could happen at any moment in my school or my community. So if possible, I'd like to prevent that and spread awareness about the dangers of the excessive gun purchasing freedoms.
I am passionate about gun violence prevention because it is an issue in my present and will continue to be an issue in my future if it is not addressed or fixed. Gun violence affects my safety, my education, and my mentality. As a high school student, to hear both mass school shootings and kids losing their battle to suicide by a gun daily, it is terrifying and heartbreaking. My group and I would like to contribute in any way we can to help put an end to this issue.
Hearing about the news and what has happened in the past has affected me and made me realize that this could happen to me or a loved one at any moment, and that's scary.
With all the school shootings that happen, it does take a toll on you mentally, living with the constant fear of one day we'll have a lockdown and it won't be a drill, living with the constant fear that I might lose a loved one, a friend, or my own life.
To walk into school the day after hearing about another school shooting, constantly wondering if it could happen to you. We must do better, as the place for our education should not be associated with gun violence whatsoever.
Fortunately, I haven't lost anyone in my life to gun violence. Still, being aware of gun violence in the country and watching different shootings take place has still impacted me. It's created a constant undercurrent of anxiety and always wondering if my family or my school is going to be next. The prevalence of gun violence has taken away my right to feel safe in school, the place where I'm supposed to be getting my education and spending almost 8 hours of my day.
Well, I've been lucky to meet some trauma surgeons through this initiative, and I've heard their stories about people they've had to treat that have been shot or injured through gun violence. And I just want to say thank you, and that your hard work does not go unnoticed.
I would just tell them to keep doing their job, to think about mental health while treating physical health. I'd also thank them for everything they've done. The world is definitely a better place as they continue to help others in need. And I also appreciate this opportunity given to me because I've learned so much and have become passionate about this issue.
Thank you for everything that you have done and that you continue to do. Thank you for taking the time to listen to what we have to say and for including us in this very important conversation, because we really do want to help in any way that we can.
Keep fighting. To the many that have children, fight for your child's safety and ability to live in a world without worry of gun violence. For the ones who don't, keep fighting for the one less patient that you could pronounce dead due to gun violence. To everyone else, this is a fight for our safety. It is a fight that affects each and every one of us. On top of that, we thank you so much for your contributions and help.
Now is the time for action.
Now is the time for action.
Now is the time for action.
Now is the time for action.